Hi members, Miss Heidi here and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a chocolate chip cookie recipe inspired by Percy Jackson and the Lightning Thief. So in Percy Jackson and the Lightning Thief, Percy tries a drink that looks like apple juice but tastes just like his mom's blue chocolate chip cookies. So we're going to make a recipe inspired by those cookies. So for this recipe, you'll need 1 cup of butter melted, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of water, half a teaspoon of salt, 3 cups of flour, 2 cups of chocolate chips, and blue food coloring. So let's get started. All right, so we're going to get started with making our blue chocolate chip cookies. So first we're going to take our large bowl and add 1 cup of melted butter. Next we're going to add 1 cup of white sugar. One cup of white sugar. And next we're going to add 1 cup of brown sugar. 1 cup of brown sugar. And we're going to mix that together. All right. Next we're going to add our 2 eggs. And mix them in one at a time. Now we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. One and 2. And mix that in. Right. Now we're going to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half a teaspoon of salt. And mix that in. Now we're going to add in 3 cups of flour. 1, 2, and 3. And 2 teaspoons of water. 1 and 2. And mix that all together. Make sure you mix in all that flour. All right. And now we're going to make our dough blue. So we're going to add a couple drops of our blue food coloring until we like the color. And mix that in. Once you like the blue color of your dough, you can go ahead and add your chocolate chips. So we're going to add 2 cups of chocolate chips, and you can use any type of chocolate you like. You can use chocolate chunks or chocolate chips. You can use white chocolate, dark chocolate, or milk chocolate. So here's 1 cup and 2. And mix those in. Go. And there's our cookie mix. Now we're going to scoop our mix onto our baking tray with parchment paper. And try to get about a spoonful. You can make them a little bigger or a little smaller depending on how big you want your cookies to be. And make sure they have some space between them because they will expand. All right, and we're going to bake our cookies in the oven at 350 degrees for about 10 minutes. Here's my blue chocolate chip cookies fresh out of the oven. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.